Chapter 6
Omana's
King,
Journey.
Subject E.V.S. Onama's Journey. Let's read. Onama and her best friend Radha were very excited. They were going on a train trip to Kerala. Onama was going to her grandmother's house and Radha was going with her family for a holiday. Onama's father had gone to book train tickets for both the families. Then just 2 days before their journey, Radha fell down from her bicycle and fractured her right leg. Her leg was put in plaster. The doctor said that she should not move her leg for 6 weeks. Radha's family had to cancel their tickets. The two friends were very sad. They had made so many plans about what they would do together on the trip. Then Radha's Amma had an idea. Onama, why don't you write down everything about your trip in a diary? Then when you come back, Radha can read all about your trip. This way you will not forget anything, and it will also help you to pass the time on the train. Both the friends thought this was a good idea. Onama went home and found a notebook with blank pages to write all about her journey. Here are some pages from Omana's diary for you to read. Let's read. Onama's diary. 16 May. As soon as we had reached the station, we checked. We checked our name on the reservation chart. Soon the train reached the platform. We saw that the coach was already full. The train had started early in the morning from Gandhiram to in Kusht. When the train came, there was so much confusion. People were getting off and others were pushing and trying to put their luggage inside, all from one door. We somehow managed to get in, find our seat and put our luggage under them. By the time the train started, most people had found their seat and arranged their luggage. After some time, the ticket collector came and checked our tickets to see that we were in our proper seat. Amma and Appa had the lower beads. Annie and I have the middle beads. There are two college students who have the upper beads. On the other beads, there is a family with 2 children. They seem to be about our age. I will go and talk them later. Now I am sitting near the window and I have started writing about our journey. Just as I promise you, I will stop now because Amma has opened the tiffin box. Amma had packed a lot of food, dhokla with chutney, lemon rice, and some methi. My mouth is watering. I will write more later. After lunch, some people slept, but I was not sleepy. I kept looking out of the window. I saw many fields, but they all were brown and dry. Sometimes we pass small village. They seem to be flying by. Do you know that when the train is at a very high speed, things outside seem to be running in the opposite direction? Earlier it was really hot. Now that it is evening, there is some breeze. The sun is slowly setting and the sky has become orange. I have never seen it look like this in Ahmedabad. We have just passed a station called the train stopped for only 2 minutes, but even for a short time there was so much noise. Chana garam chana. One man was calling. Some people calling these words. People were selling and buying food on the platform. We quickly bought some bananas and bananas and chikus through the window itself. 16 May. I have made some friends. They are Sunil and An. They are going to their grandmother's house in Kozhikode. Sunil has given me some storybooks to read. A little while ago, I went to brush my teeth, but there was no water in the bathroom. Somebody said that it was only be filled at the next big station. So up to this only. Thanks for watching.